Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We've been doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders, and we're building our faith. So if you want more people to build for them faith, just click the like button, leave a comment, share this video with as many people as you can, and of course, if you don't do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts chapter 27 from verse 13 to verse 44. When one breeze when never so strong start blow from the south, them think say them could have sail out like how them did plan. So them drop the ship anchor and sail out. But then keep near Crete shore. Not too long after that, one powerful storm named the Northeaster blow down cross Crete. The ship get catch up in a storm and couldn't manage it. So we get up and make the storm blow away where it want we go. We sail past one little island named Kiada, where we barely manage to control a little boat for the ship and keep it safe. After they lift up the little boat, put on the ship, they use rope under the ship to tie it up. Them do that cause them did afraid the ship might go jam in at the sand hill near Libya, where the water never deep. Then drop anchor and make the breeze go and blow the ship. The next day, the way the storm did a batter the ship so bad, they start fling some of the sitting them when they dip on the ship in the sea. And on the third day, them same one take up some of the sitting them were part of the ship and fling them in the sea. After we couldn't see no sun or star for one long time, and the storm keep on a batter we did sure say we done for. Nothing couldn't save we. Now for the man them never feel for nothing for eat. So Paul turn up amongst them and said to them, say, Uno shoulda did listen to me, man. When me did tell uno say, we never did feel left out of Crete. Cause if uno did listen, we never would have suffered so and lose so much. But listen to me now. Take heart, cause none of we now go dead. But the whole ship are gonna mash up. Me know that, cause last night, the God where me belong to and where me serve send one angel to me. And he said to me, say, no afraid, Paul. You have to go turn up in front of Caesar. And God so good, even though people not deserve it. Him not gonna make none of the man them we are sail with you dead. So, uno take heart, man, cause me trust in a God. And me sure say everything I go turn out same like how he tell me say it would go. But the ship I go crash upon one island. One night, after we did there sea for 2 weeks, the storm did a blow across the Adriatic Sea. When it did reach about middle night, the sailor them did believe say them they near land. So they drop one rope with sitting heavy type on it to check how deep the water be. Them find out say them did there in a water where it 120 foot deep. After they sail a little further, then check again and find out say the water did 90 foot deep. Them did afraid say we did a go crash pan the reef. So they drop 4 of the ship, anchor them from the back of the ship and pray for daylight. The sailor them did want to get away from the ship. So they let down the little boat into the water and go and like say a anchor then did a throw from in front of the ship. But Paul said to the head for 100 soldiers say, if the sailor them not turn upon the ship, you can't reach ashore alive. So the soldier them cut the rope them where they tie up the boat and make it drop in the water and blow away. When they saw light, Paul begged them to eat something. Him say, till they make 14 days since you now worry yourself and not eat nothing. So, you no come on now, man. Eat something or you not go make it. And none of you not go lose not even one dege ear off of your head. After he said that, Paul take bread and give God thanks in front of all of them. Then he broke it and start to eat it. So all of them take heart and eat something too. And the 276 away on the ship. After they done them all what they want, they fling the rest of sitting them on the ship in the water. When daylight, they never know which part they did there. But they see one area will look like one bay with one beach. So they make up their mind to try and run the ship on the sandbank. So then cut off the anchor them off of the rope and left them in the sea. Them loose the chain after they sitting them. Where they turn the ship, put up the big piece of cloth where they use to catch the breeze, turn around the ship and head for the beach. But they run in the sand, which part the water shallow. The front of the ship jam and fasten in the sand and couldn't move. The wave them crashed so hard against the back of the ship that it broke up in pieces. So the soldier them planned to kill the prisoner them so that none of them couldn't jump in the sea and get away. But the head for 100 soldier never want them to kill Paul. So he never make the soldier them kill none of the prisoner them. So in the order, say all who can swim, we jump off first and swim go along. And the one them we can't swim, we hang on a piece of plank or anything we broke off of the ship and float go ashore. And as so, all of them reach land safe. God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.